patient undergoes surgery, the patient and their family put the patient's life in our hands, and the patient's life is at our risk. So it is absolutely vital that we take very ethical decisions, prepare and perform our best, and do everything we can to make it a success. At Landmark Hospital, we believe generating the trust of the patient and providing hope and empathy are as important as providing high quality healthcare. Landmark Hospital has been built on the principles of providing excellence in healthcare in a very ethical and economical format. Another core principles of ours is evidence-based medical practice, where treatment decisions are based on the best and latest available scientific knowledge. We have built one of the best orthopedic teams in the country, providing world-class comprehensive orthopedic care. We are one of the largest centers for joint replacement surgeries of knee and hip, and also arthroscopy surgeries of knee, hip and shoulder. We also follow world-class best practices in pain management and safety protocols to provide very safe environment to the patient and resulting in very comfortable and quick recovery to all our patients. We performed over 6,000 knee replacement surgeries in the last few years at Landmark Hospital. We also have one of the lowest infection rates in the country, perhaps equal to some of the best centers in the world.
We have the most advanced equipments and expertise to treat various orthopedic conditions that come to our hospital. We are one of the best hospitals in Hyderabad, and our aim is to be one of the best in India.
If you have any varicose veins and if you are looking for treatment, look no further than Landmark Hospitals. You will be evaluated by well-trained surgeons. A Doppler scan will be done for you, and if you're looking for treatment, you can get laser treatment, radiofrequency ablation, multiple stab avulsions and sclerotherapy, and you will be followed up very closely and regularly.
When the patient is coming for the pregnancy confirmation, we give a pre-antenatal checkup list where what we are going to cover in the next 9 months of pregnancy, so that the patient will be comfortable and confident. We want to ensure our patients receive proper care during pregnancy and delivery and beyond, so that the mother will be healthy and delivering a healthy baby.
Obesity become a very major thing after deliveries and all. For that also, post-delivery treatments also we are starting in this for the tummy reduction, toning of the tummy, proper figuration of the persons for active lifestyle.
In Landmark Hospital, in addition to the regular management of diabetes, we also rely a lot on the lifestyle modification aspects and also to not get into the complications of diabetes.
When my mother met with an accident and she got leg fractured, then we consulted 2-3 doctors and finally we came to Landmark Hospitals. Then we consulted Sudhir Reddy sir, and I think he is the best doctor in Hyderabad and we are very happy with his treatment.
4 ఏళ్ళు బట్టి ఇది హాస్పిటల్కి ల్యాండ్మార్క్ వస్తున్నాం. చాలా చోట్ల తిరిగాం. వీరికి యూరిన్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్, బ్లడ్ ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. అవన్నీ టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. When compared with other hospitals, it is completely highly hygienic. We like it.
Our grandma has joined here with knee problems. Actually, she was suffering from 4 to 5 years. But we have shown her to many hospitals and many doctors, but it was useless. Finally, we got here to the Landmark, and Dr. Sudhir Reddy sir have helped us a lot, and she had undergone bilateral knee replacement surgery, and she is absolutely fine now. And thank you so much, Landmark Hospitals.
And the surgery went well. Orthopedic team, Dr. Sudhir Reddy and his team has done the surgery good, and it went well. Now she is okay.
Landmark Hospital is one of the best hospitals in the Hyderabad, and Dr. Sudhir Reddy, orthopedic surgeon, is one of the best doctors in Hyderabad.
I am working here in Landmark Hospitals as a duty doctor, and I manage the ward. I had so many choices, but still I chose Landmark because I want to have the pleasure of working with Dr. Sudhir, Dr. Vasant Kumar, and Dr. Lakshmikant, and many other experienced staff.
The center has well-maintained dedicated operation theatres supported by computer-aided navigation system for joint replacement and arthroscopic surgeries that gives accuracy and superior long-term results.
We want to build a trusted relationship with all our patients and provide them with total care to help them stay fit and healthy.
At Landmark Hospitals, patient comes first in all aspects. We know if you feel better, you will heal better.
We are working in Landmark Hospitals. We are very happy now here.
Actually, all of us.
I would like to thank all our doctors, nurses and technicians for doing their duty so dedicatedly and showing such a concern to the patients, and all our management staff for the smooth operations. And most of all, I would like to thank all our patients for placing immense trust in us and giving us a chance to serve them well.